How to change your region in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize it. First of all, go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on your profile name. So here, there's a drop down of my account. Simply tap on my account. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Here on the top, tap on personal information. Now slowly scroll down. Here you can find a section of country. Basically, this is the place where you can change the region. Simply tap on it and here you can find it and even customize it. So simply tap on the one that you want to switch into. At last, tap on the save button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.